I do recommend getting this one. It's a nice one. But if you do get this, I recommend getting the dock. It is very good without the dock, but with the dock, it is a lot more better to have this with the dock. You can get different ones, fitting one. I would say a bit more expensive. I've noticed these ones are cheaper. You get different batteries and everything like that. The charger is quite temperamental, and it's just basically a little twist. It turns on, then the light comes on. It should go green. It's got a lock sign there, a thing where you can undo it. If you go to red like this when it's on charge, you can have it going all the time. You just do that, and the blue light will come on in the back. Or the other way is pressing down on it and going, just using it, and again the blue light will come on. We've got all wood in it, the airflow is there, and basically if you want to turn it off, just twist it and lock it. Simple as that. The other thing is, it comes with other stuff. So this is how it comes if you buy these tools. I do think this tool is good. I've tried it in a computer, tried it in normal mains, and me charger phone, me phone charger. It's worked, but doesn't fully charge it. I've used that cable and plugged it into a mains. It charges it, but it takes a long time. It's a lot more safer than a normal hobby knife.